What is up, guys? My name is Abdul, and through this series of videos, I'm going to teach you how we will be making this app that you are just seeing right now. So this is just an intro video showing you what we will be building throughout the next series of videos. So basically, this is a simple app which has a lot of complex functionality. Basically, this is a table view, and I have a bunch of cells. These are custom cells that help you fetch the top 100 album uh, using the Apple API. So as you guys see, whenever you click on a cell, it just segue to another screen. This is a view controller actually, with the same photo that we got previously on the table view. We click, we have the same photo here because I'm using a caching mechanism that I will be teaching you guys, and it is very important to cache images because it helps you use the user conserve the user data and not just make API calls whenever you actually want to reuse the same image, which is tedious. So as you guys see, whenever you come here, you have a title, you have a bunch of details, and when you click on this button right here, it will just segue, it will just open the album itself. So I don't have iTunes installed on my simulator, but if you have it will just open the album on iTunes. So let me show you guys how the project is structured, so you have an idea of what we will be doing. So I used the programmatic approach. So basically, I don't have any storyboard here, and which is also a very good addition if you guys want to learn how to do the programmatic instead of just using storyboard. Because if you get into the professional world, you'll be using programmatic, and I will be teaching you guys how you will be doing it. And I use the MVVM architecture. I have the model here, I have the view model, the controllers, and this is an API folder. So all the data fetching, networking, going to the Apple endpoint and get the data back, I will be using this folder for it. And also we have a beautiful parser that will using JSON decoder that will help us parse the data that we will be getting back. Also, let me show you guys what I have on the controller. I have a feed here, and yeah. So basically, how basically when you have whenever you click on a cell here, look guys what we have here. Yeah, so every cell we just pass an album to a custom cells, which is here, and we structure the cell on the view. We don't really have to do it on a view controller, and which is very efficient. And here as well, whenever we get the album, we will be using a view model, which is here the album view model. So the view model will be rendering the UI, the view is not going to do it, which is also very efficient. And also in the end, I will teach you guys how to do the testing, because guys, again, if you want to work in the professional world, you will have to implement some testing mechanism as well. So we will be testing the view model, we will be testing our feed view controller, we will be testing our parser, and we will have a mock JSON data, a mock network interface, and we will be having a network service test as well. Let me show you guys what else you will be doing during this series of video. So yeah, whenever you come to the API, so here what I have done, so I will be using a protocol that will make our network service conform the protocol and just implement the functionality that this protocol that these function has to do. Yeah, and we will be using a completion handler to pass the data that we got from our API calls to the controller. So whoever called these functions will have access to the escape data. In this case, we use image view, and in this case, we will be using see here, I have a completion handler. We will pass their album in case if there is a success. So yeah, guys, I talk a lot. I was not supposed to say all of these before starting the videos, but yeah, this is just a quick intro on what we will be building, which is very cool. So I can't wait to see you guys there.